Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you're going to learn how to sew this beautiful stylish top just as seen in this video. This is the back piece. As you can see, it is very beautiful and very easy to make. So if this is something that you're interested in, do well to watch till the end. You guys, please support me by subscribing, liking and commenting on my video. So the first thing, I folded my fabric into two, and then I marked my shoulder divided by 2, and then after that I marked my neck width of 4. I used neck width of 4, and then I used the neck depth of 3. And then the next thing, I mark from my shoulder to my bust point, and then shoulder to my under bust, and I also mark from my shoulder to my waistline. And then the full length of this top, I'm using 23 as seen in this video. So this is how simple it is to make. And you guys, the next thing, I'm going to mark my bust divided by 4 just as seen in this video. That is my bust circumference divided by 4, and then I added 1 inch allowance, and then I came down to my waistline to mark my waistline divided by 4, and then I added 1 inch sewing allowance just as seen in this video. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to form our asymmetric waistline, because if you check the picture on the thumbnail and the video, you can see that the waistline of this top is asymmetric. So for you to achieve that, you mark from the waistline to the hemline like a V shape just as seen in this video. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out just as seen, and then I will come back to the neckline. I'm going to go ahead and join the point together, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut out just as seen in this video. And then the next thing, on the neckline, on the neck width, I'm going to come down by 1 inch, and then from that 1 inch I'm going to go ahead and connect it to form our armhole cuff just as seen in this video. So from the bust line, I'm going to mark 1 inch upward just as seen in this video, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my cuff ruler to cuff it just as seen in this video. So this is going to serve as our armhole cuff, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. You guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, please go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. And how are you guys doing? I hope you all are fine, and thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Okay, so this is it. I've gone ahead to cut it out just as seen in this video. So right about now, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I'm going to go ahead and bend in the armhole like this, the 2 armhole. That is because I'm not going to be using a lining, so I'm going to go ahead and hem the 2 armhole. I'm going to hem the side and then the hemline and every part, and then after I'm done with the armhole, the side and the hemline, I'm going to come to the neckline and bend it. So I'm going to bend the neckline last so that it can be neat, because we are going to pass a rope to form our outer neckline. Are you guys following? So this is it. I'm going to go take it to my sewing machine and finish it and bring it back. So this is it. I've gone ahead to finish the dress. So the next thing, we're going to go ahead and attach our rope, our strap. So these are my straps. So the strap, the length depending on you and the size. So the total strap that I'm going to be using is going to be just 5, 1 for the neckline, and then I'm going to attach 2 on the chest line. I'm going to attach 2 on the waistline. Okay, so I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I will finish up the dress and then I will bring it back. So guys, this is it. This is what it looks like. You can see our top, and then this is the backless top. And thank you so much for watching. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.